Ally Pro is ready to go.
Hi everyone, I'm Drew with Mobility Direct, and today I'm going to show you how to unbox and set up your all-new Golden Technologies Ally Pro electric wheelchair. This is model number GP304. So this is what you're going to get. Before we get into this unboxing, I want to make mention that if you haven't been to our website, make sure you do, because you can claim your own copy of your Mobility Direct catalog just simply by going to our website, clicking the green link up at the top, and filling out your information, and we'll have it to you in just a couple weeks via USPS. Also, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, make sure you do. You could win a mobility scooter. Just take a look at these last winners that have got a mobility scooter through our YouTube channel. With that being said, we're going to go ahead and move on to unboxing this brand new electric wheelchair that I've never set up. So this is what you can expect. Okay, so what we're going to go ahead and do is put straps. And take off the cup. And as you can see, the power wheelchair is pretty much all assembled. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take off the outer part of the box, work my way in. So as I took this box off, the charger came out of its box, and it's right here. So there's your charger. I'll put that off to the side, and I'll start taking away the styrofoam packaging. So it's nice molded packaging. And this is a really nice looking power wheelchair. And your quick start guide is zip tied to the chair itself, so you can't miss it. Make sure that you go through your user manual and you read it all when you have a chance after you set up this. Or perhaps maybe you should read it before you set it up and then watch this video, and then you have a good understanding of exactly what we're doing here. So let's go ahead and continue to unpack the scooter, or the power wheelchair. And it looks like I can probably just lift this up now. All right, so first thing we're going to do here is go ahead and cut the zip tie and get our user manual up and out of the way. It does say on this sticker, battery inside. So let's go ahead and unzip our compartment back here. And lo and behold, we have our battery. So there's a lock and unlock feature right here. There's your charging port, and that's where the connection is to be made on the chair. Now, if I'm not mistaken, what we do to unlock the chair is pull up on this bar, or push down on the bar. That's right, we're going to push down on the bar to unlock it. We're just going to lift straight up. Oh, that's right, the chair forward. Okay. That's pretty neat. I like that. It's a good feature. And here we have our armrests. They're really nice. You get the black and tan, really nice contrast. You have a USB port and a USB-C on your left armrest. And on the right side, it says no bearing heavy weight. So guys, when you get in and out of your chair, do not hold your hands here to get out of the chair. You need to hold on back here. If you hold on to this, you're going to break the whole joystick off. You're going to break the entire USB port off. So do not hold on the end of the armrest. Hold where the color part of the armrest is. All right, so let's go ahead and put in the battery here. So as you can see, this is going to line up here, and it is tapered, and it's going to slide in easily. This is one of the most easiest, simple batteries I've ever put in. Just give it a little push, and on the left side, there's the latch. Just lock that into place, and to unlock it, you just press down and pull. So let's go ahead and make sure it's in the locked position. Same thing on the other side. Now your battery is securely locked. And now that we've installed the battery, let's go ahead and take a seat so we can lift our foot plate, get that up and out of the way. Sit right in here, put your foot plate down. And now that we have installed the battery, we can now go ahead and power on the joystick. So now the chair is powering up. It has 77% charge for its first time right out of the box. That's good to know. It's locked right now, so I can't go anywhere. And I do know that from the Ally Pro, if you just press this power button, that's going to unlock it. So now I should have capabilities of being able to control the chair. And as you can see, I do have full control of the chair at this point. This is how you unbox and set up your Ally Power wheelchair. But before your first time use, make sure you charge it up completely. So to charge up your chair, what you're going to do is, first thing for safety purposes, make sure you turn off your power wheelchair. And to do that, you're going to go ahead and press and hold that power button until the screen turns off. One end will plug right into the back of the charger. And then you have your XLR port, or your XLR charger that can go to the XLR port. And you have the one part that goes into the wall. So you make sure that you have this plugged in and that this is plugged in so that you can plug in your charger. When charging your Ally Pro for the first time, you can charge it right from the armrest when the battery is plugged in. You can plug it in just like so. Or you can remove the battery pack and plug it in off the scooter. So you can take your battery and bring it into the home and charge it and leave your electric wheelchair in your car, just like so. And once your battery is fully charged, you will get a green indicator on your charger. Once your chair has been completely charged, you're ready for use. See, it's just that easy to set up your all-new Golden Technologies Ally Pro Power Wheelchair. It's very simple. As you can see, I set it up in just a few minutes. There's no complexity behind it. There's no tools or anything required. All you have to do is lift up the chair out of the box, and it's just that simple. Guys, for more videos just like these, make sure you subscribe to our channel. Make sure you stay tuned to the days to come, because we're going to have an in-depth review of this product, and we're going to do a ride-along to show you exactly how this electric wheelchair and product works in real-life situations. If you're interested in products just like the Ally Pro, make sure you visit our website, mobilitydirect.com. Give us a call at the number below. We have amazing discounts, and we're always saving people a ton of money. I'm Drew with Mobility Direct. Don't have a good day. Have a fantastic day. Bye-bye. Now I'm going. Bye, guys.